a disturbance, background disturbance. I would request you all to communicate through chat only. So, just to confirm, I am audible. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for confirming. So let's begin. So welcome all. Welcome to Financial Fitness Program. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn a technique, a simple, very simple technique to earn money using moving averages. So, as you are aware, this is the motto of my program. I believe this is my motto. My target is to enable 25,000 people in year 2021 for living an enriched life. So, the all objectives of this program is that I share my knowledge, whatever I have gained in last few year, and you need to take action. You need to gain the knowledge and take action and earn money. So taking action and earning money is your responsibility. Okay, so let's go ahead. So agenda for today is why we need moving average as or any indicator, whether it's a moving average or any indicator. What is a trading system? Because I believe many of you are beginners or intermediate in the stock market, and so I thought I will start with very basics of explaining few things. So why we need a trading system typically, why we are learning moving averages in the first place itself, what is the need of learning for any indicator or any trading system which is required, and why it is required. Most commonly used moving averages, will go through them, and I'll use only one 50-day moving average for investing and trading and how you can earn money. Okay, so before we begin, just for confirmation, how many of you are beginners here? Can I have B from all of you if you are beginners? Great, great, great. And if you are in stock market for some time and you have been trading off and on, not very systematically, can I have as what should I say? Okay, you can say yes if you are in stock market for some time. Yes. Okay. Okay, great. So it will be very, very interesting for you to understand this system. Like if you are not using any system, you are in the market off and on and thinking what to do and what not to do. I am systematically designing these programs for your advantage. Third, I would like to know how many of you attended the program on 10th of April, the previous Saturday. Can you write 1 or 10 if you attended that? Great. So that is a very reassuring thing for me because I am starting from that foundation and we are going further. If you have not attended that program, if you somehow you missed that program, I am doing it again on 17th. This will be the last program for this month, beginners program. Then maybe we'll conduct sometime in May end or June. So if you missed out or your friends have missed it out, I would request you to share the link with them and you can attend it again. So let's move ahead. Why we need moving average and all. Okay, so there are three questions which are frequently asked in the stock market. Okay, so let me know if you have asked this question to everyone. Which share should I buy? How many of you have heard this question if you're in stock market and or you have heard people around you? Are they constantly asking everyone which share should I buy? Which share should I buy? So this question we have answered already on 10th of April, right? We went through a lot of fundamental analysis. I am strongly believing that you all must be doing that fundamental analysis and answering this question. Okay, so you must be asking this question. Majority of people ask this question. Second is the most common question. If someone tells, okay, buy HDFC, what price should I buy? Should I buy now? Should I wait? Should I buy? So either they will say what price I will buy. Should I wait because it's already at high, or someone will say should I wait because it is going down. So the second problem which everyone faces in the stock market is, or the second question which Everyone hears in the stock market, at what price should I buy? Should I enter now, later, when? How many of you have gone through this question or heard this question so far? Can I have yes from all of you if you have at least heard this question or you had this question earlier? Yes? Why I am saying this is these questions will be the answer of why we are learning today, right? Whatever we are learning today, why we are learning, because this today's program will start giving you answers to this question. Third is, at what price should I sell this share? So again, once you buy it, now either you are stuck because the share price has gone down, or it has gone up and you don't know whether if I now you are thinking, first problem will come. If you have bought a share and if it has gone up, you are happy, but you are afraid also that okay, it has gone up, but I am not sure how far it will go. So should I exit now? Should I book the profit? Or if it has gone up, or if you have purchased and it has gone down and now you are worried, should I still be in the stock or should I exit, book loss or come out? Will it go up at all or not? That is the second question. So what price should I sell? So these three questions are always there. I have seen which share I should buy, what price I should buy, what price these three questions. So that's why whatever we are learning today and from today onwards, these questions will be answered. More and more you attend the programs, the more and more these questions will be answered, and you will become expert, and you will be starting to answer these questions for others also to help them. Now, what is required to answer this question? Fundamental analysis and indicator to help us in answering all the questions above on a rule-based systems. So Suraj is saying these are all my questions. Yes, you are at the right place. You will be getting all the answers for this. Now, before I go to the system, why it is very, very important to have a trading system. Okay, why it is important to follow a system. Why it is very, very important at all that you should learn that system and test it out. Because there are some things which will ensure, which will guarantee that you will, if you are following those things, then it will be a guarantee that you will be failing in stock market. Just let me know if you have gone through those guaranteed recipe for failure. First is, if if you are totally dependent on someone else's advice only for buying and selling, yes, you can refer to someone, you can take someone's advice, but if you are totally dependent on someone for buying and selling, and tomorrow if he is not giving a correct input, or let's say if he is not available, or let's say he starts charging you exorbitantly, or when the time comes you have to put 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh on his advice, will you really go ahead and put that much money? How many of you think that you some point or the other you had this problem that you will be going for a advice, and then someday you find that no, I am not comfortable, because then you are dependent totally on his advice. Second problem, trading based on emotions and gut feeling. I have seen many people who will go and do trading on emotions. No, no, today is Wednesday, I am feeling very nice. I saw that flower falling down and all this. So today is a very good day. Today is a Wednesday. Today is a Thursday. Every Thursday I trade, I get a profit. Trading based on emotions and gut feeling. My gut feeling says this stock will go up, right? How many of you have done the trading based on your emotions and gut feeling that okay, it will go up, my gut feeling says it will go down, my gut feeling says, yes, once in a while gut feeling is okay, but consistent use of gut feeling is not okay. Okay, sometimes you will get intuition, that is okay, but most of the times based on emotions, that is a pure recipe of failure. Third is, emotions run high during the trade and after the trade. How many of you experience this, that you are having lots of emotional fluctuations? You are like how many of you are married? How many of you are married? Can I have yes from all of you who are married? Not that I don't, I want to check how many married people are there, just for checking. Okay, because married people will be able to relate with me. So if you are married and let's say you are having a good trade, you bought a share and it went up, right? it went up for some, let's say 10 to 15%. You are very happy, emotions are running very high. Maybe you take your spouse out for dinner, you are very happy with your kid. Even if your kid comes and says, Papa, I failed, or Mummy, I failed, and you are 10% gain in stock, you will say, don't worry, beta, you can always gain in stock market, right? And let's say if in case your stock has gone down, then that day you will be so bad in emotions, you will fight with your spouse, you will even scold for your kids coming first in the class. What this, you are coming first, see that fellow, he's coming first in the district. Of course, I am telling you the extremes. How many of you have gone through this emotional up and down when you have traded? Can I have yes from all the married people? But whenever you trading, you have gone through all this emotional. Not yet. Many people are not saying not yet. But yes, when you are trading, you might go through this. Okay, then mistake stock market as a wanderla. Okay, many people get that rush. Many people get that rush within themselves. Yes, as if they are sitting on some joyride. If they are in stock market, they are habitual traders. Even whether they lose or win, they just want to be in stock market. They cannot stay away from stock market. They just keep punching in the orders, and they just don't care about what is happening, and they keep losing the money. So many people are habitual traders, whether they win or lose. It is very good. If you are not a habitual, don't become. If you find that you are becoming a habitual trader, just stop for 7 days. Just stop for 7 days and go out. Finally, lack of discipline. Lack of discipline. People ask me one very important question. If I have to earn financial freedom stock from stock market, do I have to look at it every day? This is a very common question. So, my counter question to them is, when you were going for a job, and when the HR said, okay, Mr. So and so or Miss So and so, we will be offering you this job, but do you have any questions for us? How many of you ask the HR person, do I have to come to work for every day, or once in a while if I come, is it okay? How many of you asked, say yes. If you asked your HR, can I come, do I have to come every day to office, on every weekday do I have to come to office, or I'll come someday, it is okay, whenever I wish I'll come, it is okay, whenever I wish I will not come? If you did not ask the HR person this question, why you are having such an attitude towards stock market? It's a discipline, right? You only have to spend some 10, 15, 20 minutes in stock market. For that also many people ask this question. Do I have to be, and believe me, don't do go if you are not doing intraday, 10 minutes involvement is good enough for achieving financial freedom, right? So don't ask me this question, do I have to monitor it every day? Yes, you go for job every day, so you have to hear only on a weekday only. Okay, so based on all these things, so can I have yes from all of you, whether you are married, not married, not done the trading, whether you have not done it started, maybe you are beginner, you are coming for the first time, but have you understood the principle, the guaranteed recipes for the failure? Yes. Okay, thank you guys for such energy, such a great energy. Thanks a lot. So, so now that's why to overcome all this, we need a trading system. We all need a trading system. A trading system. Why we need a trading system is, trading system is set of rules. Okay, set of rules which a participant in market follows for buying and selling of fundamentally good shares. So what he does is, a trading system, once he gets the trading system, once the system is finalized, he keeps on following the rules, right? He keeps on following the rules without having any emotions. Okay, profit loss coming, he knows the system will give profit, and he keeps on trading, he will get some profit, he will get some loss. Overall, if you have confidence that yes, at the end of the day, this system will give profit, you keep on trading one after the another, keep trading, and then you gain money. Then automatically your emotions are removed, your discipline comes in. You are not sometimes happy, sometimes sad, sometimes having very good relationship with your spouse, with your kids, with your friends. Sometimes you are angry and they don't even know why it has happened. So all that will be removed if you have a trading system for trading in stocks. All those problem, all those guaranteed failure systems are removed. Second thing, if you know the system, you are not dependent on someone else to tell you when to buy and when to sell. You will know for your own when to buy and when you are to sell. So that's why you need a systematic trading system. Rules are well defined before taking trade, so you know how will I buy, when will I buy, when will I enter, when will I exit. The rules, the best part in stock market is the rules you can test historically. You can go, whatever I tell you right now, you can always go back historically. You go back 5 years, 10 years back, and check whether whatever system I told you worked or not. If it has worked in past, if the candlesticks are working for last 400 years, they are going to work for next 50 years, and we will be trading only for next 50, 60 years. So don't worry. So even if it has worked for 10 years in the past, the same system will work for next few years as well. Once found profitable, once you have conviction, yes, the system works. Sometimes it gives losses, but majority of times it gives profit. You keep on following that system. That is what is a trading system, and that's why we are learning a trading system. Going forward, we are learning trading systems where we understand how to trade and how to ride the waves. And there are different components to that system, and that is how we earn money. If you don't have system, if you don't follow a system, if you don't know when to buy, when to say sell, and you don't have written rules, that is also not good, right? Everyone okay? So far so good. Okay, great guys, great energy, SFSG. Okay, so most important rule which people forget conveniently, is the most important rule is, today we are going to learn moving averages. Don't go and apply moving averages on any Tom, Dick, and Harry stock. The base should be a fundamentally good stock. Now you'll ask, what is fundamentally good stock? Which is having a good ROE, which is a return on equity, percentage return on equity at least 20% year over year for last 3 years, last 1 year. Profit growth should be 30%, sales growth should be 10%. So this good company, even if you are going for blue chip company, at least they should be growing by 10 to 15%. They should have good prospect for the coming future. That is a fundamentally good company. You have to select a fundamentally good company, and then only you can apply the moving average indicator or trading system, what I am sharing with you. I am sharing very basic system with you today. Okay, how we find fundamentally good stock, we have already learned on 10th of April. I hope you are going through the balance sheet, right? The annual statement, and going through the statement of at least one company. Can I have yes if you are going, if you are reading? How many of you are reading the annual report of at least one company right now? Oh, great guys, great guys. If you are reading, really good. I can confidently tell you, you are going to earn lots of money if you are reading at least one right now after Saturday. If you are not started, start one. Okay, this is a breakthrough for you. Start one. Okay, start reading annual report of one company. So moving average, most commonly used moving averages are 200-day moving average, okay, 50-day moving average, and 20-day moving average. Okay, now 200-day moving average. See, sometimes we have to accept historically. Okay, sometimes we have to accept historically, because you have to understand why we are using 200 DMA, right? So the people will ask, why 200 DMA? Why not 252 days moving average? In a year, if there are like 365 days are there, 100 days are holidays and 12 days are holiday, roughly 250 days are when the market is open. So why we are not using why we are using 200 DMA, why we are not using 250 DMA, why we are if we are using 50 DMA in a quarter, there are 66 days, why we are using 50 DMA, why not 66 DMA, or 20 DMA, why not 22? Of course, those who are new for moving average, just take it for that. Why not 250? Why 200? Why not 66? Why 50? Why not 22? Why 20? This question will come. Now, historically, problem is, yes, DMA, Monish is asking DMA similar to SMA. Yes, simple moving average and daily moving average. It is a written DMA I have written. I'll write SMA there. So, what happened is, historically the computers and all have come only 20 years back. The calculators have come only for 40 years. Imagine someone's trading some, let's say, 80 years ago, if he was using technical analysis, or 60 years ago. How many of you think it will be easy for him to divide 1000 by 10? Will it be easy for him to divide 1000 by 10, or will it be easy for him to divide 1000 by 22? Whether it is easy to divide 1000 by 10, or it is easy to divide 1000 by 22, right? So that's why they came up with 10-day moving average, 20-day moving average, 50-day, 200, because it was easy for them to calculate. We are still using that. You can fine tune that. There is nothing like you cannot change this 200 and 50 and 20. I'll teach you 250 and 20. You can keep using those. As you progress, you can do some jugglery here and there, but do the testing. But I'm giving you logic why we are using 250 and 20, because it is being used historically and they are working fantastically. So what I will request you to do is, I know the next slide you may not understand, okay? So I would request you to take a snapshot or write it down, so that when I'm explaining, you can go through that slide step by step. If you are written, there are 4 sentences only. So either you write down or take a snapshot, or whatever you want to do, you have to go through that, and then I'll take you to the trading view so that I will explain you. Maybe the next slide you might not understand right now, but when I show you in trading view, you will be able to understand. So just for writing purpose, noting down purpose, you write it down, okay? So basic trading investment strategy for learning purpose only. I would request you don't start putting your money on that immediately. Learn, understand, go and see on trading view for different fundamentally good stocks. See if you will, following this, you will be able to earn money consistently or not, and then you implement that. Can I have yes from all of you if you agree that you will first learn this today, go back to the trading view, pick up few fundamentally good stocks, follow it, whether it is working or not. Once you are convinced yes this works, you will see, and then start with a small amount, and then once you are earning consistently, then increase the amount. Everyone okay? We will be learning lot of techniques, okay? This is not the first and the last. We will be learning at least 4 to 5 trading systems in our Tuesday and Thursday webinars, okay? So you will learn different. So don't jump, okay, I'll do this, that. Learn everything, do whatever you like the best out of that. So the system is, first, select a fundamentally good stock. Second, buy when the price closes above the 50-day moving average. So as soon as it closes above the 50-day moving average, you can buy and sell all the stocks whenever the price closes below 50-day moving average. Okay, so this is our trading plan. This is simple trading plan because many of you are beginners. I am not starting with a very complex plan. I am starting with a very simple plan. Okay, I am starting with a very simple plan. This is not the ultimate or the holy grail. Since a lot of us are beginners, a lot of us are learning how to trade, I am teaching you the first step towards the more complex trading plans. Okay, so don't think that this is the final thing or something. This is the beginning. Take this as a beginning. but this is a very powerful beginning. Okay, once you note down, write down, let me know, I will go ahead. There is something more to it, risk management, money management, and all that will come subsequently. This is for teaching you what is a trading system. Okay, this is a trading system, these are the rules we have. Even before executing, before even buying any share, we are having a written rule. So any trading technique, you should have it written in your copy, the trading plan. You should be able to write systematically. You cannot write emotions on the copy, you have to write rules on the your notebook. So this is buy above, price closes above the 50-day moving average, sell all the stocks whenever it closes below the 50-day moving average. Okay, if you have done, you type done. If you have written it down, if you have taken a snapshot, type done in the chat box so that I will go further. Okay, so many of you have done it. So let's go to the trading view. I hope you have practiced trading view after our program on Tuesday. You have, if you have not attended that, I hope you were able to like sort of practice it. Yes, everyone practiced it. Okay, EMA is different. That is a exponential moving average. I am taking an example of Deepak Nitrite. Okay, I'm taking an example of Deepak Nitrite in this because this is a fundamentally good stock. It's a strong stock. So as an example, I'll take it. So as a step number one, as a step number one, step number one, what we will do is we will put a moving average on this. So we will go to the function, we will select the moving average. You can select the star in your account and it will be permanently there. So I will select moving average. So what I have got is a moving average here. I will change the style of moving average to black, let me call it purple color. Okay, let me make it dark color, sorry, a little darker line. Okay, and inputs, let's say 50. So this is my 50-day, I change it to input to 50. Okay, everyone clear how I brought in the moving average of 50 and then how I changed it to 50-day moving average? There was a question here, even screener has 50 DMA and 200 DMA, why to use trading view for moving average? Shankar is asking, even screener has 50 DMA and 200 DMA, why to use screener trading view for MA? Okay, now see, you can use any this charting platform. I'm not saying you have to use trading view. Okay, I'm not saying you have to use trading view or you cannot use anything other than trading view. Believe me, I am not getting a single rupee from trading view for I think I at least helped trading view in opening 2000 free accounts, but still I have not got a single rupee from them. Neither I am expecting a single rupee from them. It is easy to use, so that's why I am saying okay, open there. If you have any other charting platform, you can use that. Is everyone okay with that? I am not trying to publish, or I am not a brand ambassador for TradingView. Neither I am getting paid for using TradingView. It's easy. It is having lot of data. That's why I am recommending you. Okay. Having said that, we will use this. I have selected Deepak Nitrite, and this is a daily time frame. This is a candlestick. We learned candlesticks. Just to for this simple trading platform, I am converting this into line chart and let's say trading plan. Okay, now let me start sometime in 2019. Okay, now if I start from 2019, is it okay? I am cutting it here. Let's see how it works. Okay, again I am saying, okay, before I cut here and remove it, okay, one more disclaimer. Okay, This is a chart for I think 20 years. Trading View gives you a chart of 20 years. Okay, now before I teach you a trading plan, once I teach you and you people, many of you will find that okay, we are losing, the price started from here and it went here. Why we are entering at this price and we are exiting this price? Why we are not able to enter here and exit here? Okay, there is a possibility that many of you will have this thought, yeah, something should be there where I should be able to enter here and exit here. Believe me, you can do that only if you have God on your side or you have a pakka astrologer or a crystal ball. But believe me, even if God is on your side, the trading psychology is such that you will still not enter from here to here. We have seen a lot of stories in our mythology in old times when the god will come and in front of talent kings, boss, this fellow will kill you. Still, that fellow was not able to do anything. So when the god came in front of those kings, warned them that this fellow who is getting taking birth will kill you. Still, they could not do anything. Do you think if God comes, will the God will not come and tell you, okay, buy here, sell here, or He will not give you a perfect location? So don't even dream in your wildest dream that you will be ever able to enter here, buy here, and sell here. You have to have a optimum movement. Okay, you should be able to capture optimum movement. Is everyone okay with this point that you cannot capture the finest top and bottoms? You have to be happy with the optimum price movements. Can I have yes from all of you if you have understood? It's a very, very important concept because people die. People take their, like, they almost, only in figurative way saying, exaggerating way I'm saying, people just want to find that perfect system which will allow them to enter here and exit here. Believe me, there is no system available in the world. Okay? There is no system available in the world which will allow you to enter here and exit there consistently. Okay, so don't run for such systems. Follow basic systems which will be able to give you entry here and here. That is point number one. Second point, I am using a line chart. This is a line chart formed by closing price. Okay, our system is simple. I have selected Deepak Nitride, which is fundamentally good stock. Now our what we are going to do is I'm starting a back testing. So this is the way you do a back testing. Okay. Here I am saying, okay, this closed here, right? Okay. Now, once this is the 50-day moving average is here, this price crossed above this 50-day moving average, right? Is everyone okay? It has. Can I have yes from all of you? Those who have missed me some part or because of the internet fluctuation, don't worry. I am recording. I'll upload it. The recording will be available till Sunday. So don't worry. You will be. So can I as per the trading rule? As per the trading rule, many people are asking me in the chat. Can you show how to bring the DMA? I will be uploading the recording. You can quickly go till that part and check it out. So don't bring all 250 people little back and then go ahead. You can check it again. I'll upload within 10-15 minutes. Just follow whatever I am saying. Just because you miss that part, don't worry. Don't think that okay, I am not able to understand. You will understand. It's very easy. Trading is simple. Okay. So this is the 50-day moving average. Now let's say on this day the price went up. Everyone agrees that the price went up. This is a purple line. You can see this purple line, and the price went up. As per our trading plan, buy whenever it crosses above the 50-day moving average. So can I say what I'll do is I'll draw a green line here and I'll say okay, I purchased here. Okay, so we've all purchased at this price. Everyone okay? That when it closed here, we purchased at this price. Now, see, we don't have to bring in emotions or anything or any dilemma. We have written the second rule. Exit whenever it closes below the 50-day moving average. So let's go ahead. If I move ahead, has it closed below 50-day moving average? No. Has it closed? No. If I go ahead, I'll just move little fast, and whenever it closes below the 50-day moving average, then we will sell. So price is going up, 50-day moving average is catching up with it slowly, and it's going up now. Okay. Okay. Has it closed below 15? Has it closed below the 50-day moving average? Yes. What is our rule? Our rule to whatever you select. So we are following all three rules, right? We followed Deepak, we chose Deepak Nitrite because it is a fundamentally good stock. We bought Deepak Nitrite, it was a fundamentally good stock. We purchased as soon as it closed above the 50-day moving average. Now it has closed below the 50-day moving average. We will sell here, and we will be able to make some money. 228 to 281, we were able to ride the wave. Okay, so now you can see by following this simple system, so we had all the trading rules written, right? The point, I'm not saying this is the ultimate trading system. This is our first step towards trading system. Many more good trading systems are to come. What I'm trying to prove here, understand the gist what I'm trying to tell. You have to go back and select a stock, and you have to do this. Okay, you have to write down in your notebook what price you entered, what price you exited. Okay, that is point number one. Point number two is, did we bring any emotions during this trading? We simply bought, we sold. Did we bring in any emotions? Oh, we are going up, we are going down. No, we followed the system, right? Okay, we followed the system, simple system. Third is, we don't have to ask anyone when to buy, when to sell. The system automatically told us, okay, buy here, sell here. So system told us when to enter, when to exit, and all, right? So this is how we can use the moving average, right? Now, okay, great. So Kalidas Saha, okay, this is one point. When once I buy the stock, is it necessary that we keep checking the 50 DMA on daily basis? Okay, Kalidas, just to answer, what you do? You are a student, you work for someone, or you have a business? You work, you have a job. When you went for the job, did you ask the HR, do I have to come every day for working here, or did you say, did you ask this question to them, that do I have to come for work every day? No, right? So this is your financial freedom. That's what I said. This is the recipe of not getting successful, because you are worried. Oh, it will. How much time will it take in the evening? Right? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes it will take to monitor. That's it. You are spending 15 hours in job. 5 minutes for stock market, which will give you financial freedom. Don't even bring these questions. Right? Right now you are studying. Later you can decide how much time to spend, but not this time. This is a learning time. Right? Okay, everyone okay? Kalidasa, I'm sorry, I got your name, but I told this earlier, and you came up with this. Nothing personal with you. I know I have also gone through this, all this turmoil, so I know all this. That's why I'm able to share this knowledge with you all. Okay, so don't have any feelings. Okay, that I singled you out. Sorry if you felt that way, but just to bring out the example. That's it. Okay. Okay, so thanks for understanding. So this is the trading system. Now if we go ahead, it has gone down, we are out. Okay, it has gone down, we are now waiting only for it to cross above the 50-day moving average. Okay, so it's still not crossed now. Okay, let me delete this line. Has it crossed above the 50-day moving average here? Yes. Okay, let me buy again. Okay, now it has gone up. Okay. Has it closed below the 50-day moving average? We sell off. See, we may be making small amounts. Okay, don't worry about the small amounts. Are we are making very small amounts. Why this is working? Because we are learning the trading systems. We are getting well versed with the trading systems. Okay, once you find more trading systems, you will be enjoying this thing. But are you enjoying earning money without any tension? You earn from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. How many of you thought it was easy? How many of you thought it was easy without tension, without having any problems, and you can as well use it? Do you think it was any rocket science to earn money in that? Easy, right? So it is easy. Stock market, earning money in stock market is really easy, believe me. Okay, someone Varnika said no. Okay, it was easy, no discipline. Okay, yeah. So okay, so let's go ahead, and it's gone down fine. Okay, see, here is one example where we would have bought here, sold here. We would have had a small loss. It went up, we would have bought, and it went down, we would have sold, we would have a small loss. That is okay. When you are trading in stock market, you will have such small losses. Don't worry about the losses. We will buy here, sell here. Let's say go ahead, we'll go ahead. Okay, can we buy here again? Okay, let's see whether it gives us a profit this time or not. Tanvi, we are not doing intraday. This chart is daily chart. Tanvi is asking what type of intraday you mean here. Trading you mean here. We are doing intraday. We are doing a positional trade, right? This is a daily chart, and we bought here. We are still in the. Okay, sorry. Just okay. So we are here. I'll cut here. Did it go down? Did it go below the 50-day moving average? Can we sell here? Yes. Okay. So we sell here. So we bought at 286. We were able to sell at 428. We were able to ride the wave. The market decided to give us 100% almost. Not 100%, 60-70%. We took 60-70%, right? So we don't have to worry whether it is how much market is going to go. Should I sell now? Should I sell later? Now what you want you to do is, one, those who have understood so far, can I have a yes from all of you who have understood this system, trading system, simple trading system? Okay, so can I have yes from all of you if you have understood? This is only starting point. This I am trying to emphasize on you, that the value of the trading system, where you don't have to be emotional or irrational, or you don't have to worry what to do and how to do. You can follow the system, and you can keep on doing. Someone is saying take example of ONGC. So if you want me to take the example of ONGC, you need to tell me why ONGC, whether it is a fundamentally good stock. We will not take it today, of course, but if you are asking me, because that is my base requirement, fundamentally good stock. Okay, then this system works. We cannot use this system on any stock. This is not a magic formula. Okay, this works on fundamentally good stocks. Okay, so what I want you people to do is, I will be sharing this recording with you all. I want you to do is, you pick up one fundamentally good stock, then see whether this works or not. So you practice, you cut it. Okay, you cut, this is the symbol bar replay, it is here. You go and cut it, see, find out the value, whether it is working for you or not, whether this gives you a returns or not. Before next Tuesday, I want every one of you to go back historically, find one stock, good stock fundamentally, go back in time, and see, you can even check it with Deepak Nitrite whether you would have earned money using this system without having any tension, going in and out, you would be able to make money or not. Then post in your group, whichever group you are, post in your group before next Tuesday. I tested from the year 2019 till 2021. I was able to make, let's say, you start with 100 shares. Okay, if you are buying and selling 100 shares, how much money you would have made in 2 years? Okay, you start with 100 shares, everyone start with 100 shares. You start with January 1st January 2019, whichever group you are, from starting with 100 shares, post in the group if you were trading in Deepak Nitrite in 2 years, how much percentage return you would have got trading 100 shares. How many of you promise? If you promise me, type P in the chat and keep your word, because if you keep your word, then only you succeed in life. Okay, so promise me you will be doing the back testing and posting in whichever group you are. Okay, if you have not followed the system, no problem, go back to the video. I'll be sharing the video, and go through it peacefully today and tomorrow, and then you trade this. How to put 50 DMA, everything I have mentioned in that. Go through it, learn it, practice for Deepak Nitrite, so everyone is having the same results, right? And I want, before our Tuesday webinar next week, so before Tuesday, that is by Monday, I want each one of you to post. Do it and post. If you do it, you will be able to post with confidence. If you are posting with confidence, you will be able to earn with 100% confidence. Fine. Yeah, buying for practice purpose, you say buying at close price. Okay, buying will be normally buying the next day only, because after evening after work, someone asked, buying at close price means buying the next day only. Yes, we'll be buying the next day only. Don't worry, you'll not be missing much. Okay. Okay, fine. So I'll pause for questions. So I'll stop the record.